And welcome back. This is the Paracord Weaver, and today we're going to talk about how to attach your breakaway lanyard clasps to your paracord. So we'll start with this one, and it's relatively simple. You start and put your paracord through the hole in this direction so that it comes out on this side. Heat up your paracord. And we'll just hit it with our pliers. And what we're doing is we're going to make a flat, big object that won't slide through that hole on the back side. And depending on how much you heat it up, you might have to do it a couple times. If you get it nice and hot, really hot there. What you want is the melted nylon to barely fit in the hole. Okay? And then that gives you your best fit. And we can't pull on this too soon, otherwise we'll have it where it won't. There we go. Okay, and then we do the same thing on the other side. Put it on from the small hole side. Heat up your paracord. And you can have it nice and hot for this. And then just use the back of your pliers. And that should be pretty good. Let that cool off a second before we give it a test. Well, then after you've got it all done, you'll want to put it together and test it before you actually give it to somebody to make sure that it does hold good. And make sure it doesn't look like it's starting to pull through. And then you're done. This is the Paracord Weaver, and that's how you attach the breakaway clasps to your paracord. We'll see you next time.